Assalamu alaikum. So dear students, in my previous class I already solved from exercise 6.1 simple simultaneous equation math up to 23, and my today's class inshallah will solve math 24 to 26, and after that this chapter I think already closed, and you have to prepare practice at home from all of the creative from this chapter, and next class I am trying to solve exercise 6.2. So here observe here two equation, x variable and y variable, though it has to be solved by elimination method, and we know elimination means any one variable either x or y has to be eliminated with same coefficients. Look at here y variable and y variable same coefficient and sign are opposite. So at first adding the both equation, if you adding the both equation, then b by y will be omitted, and b by 3 also be omitted. So here a by x plus a by x equal to a by 2 plus a by 2, and right here side note adding equation 1 and 2 here. Okay, the LCM is x, so a plus a, LCM is 2, a plus a. Now twice a by x, twice a by 2. So here numerator are same, therefore we can say x equal to 2. So within two line we solve the math. Now putting the value of x in any equation, either 1 or 2. So right here putting the value of x equal to in equation 1, we get, look at here, equation 1 a by x, but the value of x is 2 plus b by y equal to a by 2 plus b by 3. Again keep here b by y and a by 2 plus b by 3 minus a by 2. A by 2 is omitted. Here both numerator are same, so b by y equal to b by 3 or y equal to 3. So dear students, required solution xy equal to 2, 3. Now we apply these two value in any one equation, the result will be justified. So math number 24 already solved. Now take your textbook, math number 25. So math number 25, also there is a two variable and two equation, and each has to be solved by elimination method. So math number 25 is x by 6 plus 2 by y equal to 2 is equation 1, and x by 4 plus 1 by y equal to 1 equation 2. So at first decided which variable you want to eliminate, x or y. If you decided that you want to eliminate y, look at here, the coefficient of y is here 2, but here is 1. So you have to multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 2. Then you will get x by 6 plus 2 by y equal to 2, and it is formed another new equation because I multiply equation 1 by 1, and this one x by 4 into 2 plus 2 by y here is a little mistake, there is sign would be minus, okay. So it is minus equal to 2 ones are 2. This is form new equation. Now adding the both equation, then y by 2 is omitted. Here x by 6 plus x by 2 because 2 2s are 4, and here 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Now LCM 6 and 2 6, so 3x plus x plus 3x equal to 4, or 3x and x, 4x plus 6 equal to 4, or 4x equal to 24, therefore x equal to 24 by 4 equal to 6. So we get the value x equal to 6. Now apply the value in any one equation. For example, apply the value in equation 1. Okay, so right here, putting the value, putting the value of x equal to 6 in equation 1, we get, so 6 by 6 plus 2 by y equal to 2 or 1, therefore 2 by y equal to 2 minus 1, or 2 by y equal to 1, therefore y equal to 2. So the required solution xy equal to 6 and 2. Now if we apply here 6 and 2, the result will be justified. So math number 25 also solved. Now we have only remaining one math number 26. So I am now trying to solve the math number 26. After that the chapter will be closed, and then I will give you some worksheet and you have to practice it at home, and then I will provide all of the answer. So question number 26 is x plus y equal a minus b and ax minus by equal to a square plus b square. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So dear students, decided which equation, which variable you want to eliminate. I think it's better if we decided y variable. So I have to multiply this one by 1, b, and this one 1. Because here coefficient is b, here coefficient is 1. Therefore, if I multiply both equation by b, I get bx plus by equal to ab minus b square, and new equation is formed. And now x minus by equal to a square plus b square. This is another new equation. Look at here, both coefficients are equal, so this is omitted. Then ax plus bx equal to a square plus ab, or if I take as a common here x, a plus b equal to a square plus ab, or x equal to, if I take here a plus b, so a plus b omitted, so a. So the value of x is a. Now apply the value of x in equation 1. So right here, putting the value of x equal to a in equation 1, we get a plus y equal to a minus b, or y equal to a minus b minus a, therefore y equal to minus b. So the required solution xy equal to a minus b. Now you apply this value in both equation, your math will be, the result will be justified. So I hope you all understand the math and chapter. In next class, inshallah, we'll solving our new topics from exercise 6.2, which is solution of simultaneous equation of real life problems. Inshallah, next class we'll solve all of the math. And thank you very much for observing the class.